Hello friend, this is Bharat from Brainware Solution, and today I want to discuss a concept that you can change your life as it did of many. One of the most valuable concept that I personally learned is that in order to reach the level of success, self-confidence, prosperity that you want, you have to brainwash yourself. Yes, brainwash yourself. See, either way it goes, you are going to be brainwashed. But the question is, who is doing the brainwashing? Believe it or not, the world that we live in is always trying to brainwash you. They are trying to penetrate your subconscious mind. Florence Scovel Sin once said, if you do not run your subconscious mind yourself, someone else will run it for you. The media want to brainwash. Certain religion want to brainwash you. Advertisement companies want to brainwash you. That's why they spend over $20 billion every year in marketing ads just to get inside your subconscious mind. They know that once they become a part of your paradigm, your belief system, they have a slight level of control over your decision making. After years of research, psychologists have finally understood how the subconscious mind works and how to penetrate it at will. This is why controlling the mass is not hard at all. Jim Morrison once said, whoever controls the media, control the mind. See, once you have control over someone's mind, you control what they create in their reality. So would not be it better if you were be brainwashed yourself? In this video, I am going to teach you how to successfully reprogram your mind and brainwash yourself for the purpose of creating a desired effects in your life. There's nothing you cannot do with this knowledge. If applied correctly, you will successfully create happiness, prosperity, abundance, fulfillment, self-confidence, and so much more. But you have to be diligent in this exercise. In order for this to work, you have to be persistent and have a small amount of willpower. It takes a minimum of 21 days to form a brand new belief. Repetition is the key. Let's get started. In order to understand how to successfully brainwash yourself, you have to understand the subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is extremely powerful but also extremely vulnerable. Here are some facts about your subconscious mind. Number 1. Your subconscious mind is always on and recording what you are hearing and saying. It's even picking up what you are not consciously aware of. This is how subliminal messages work. If you fall asleep with a TV on, it hears everything being said and is listening. Number 2. It is a giant tape recorder. It records all of your life's memory and experience. It stores all events as mental movie and image in your mind. Number 3. It does not hear no or not. If you say, I will not smoke cigarette, the image that appears in your mind is cigarette. Thus, you will continue to think cigarette. Number 4. It cannot comprehend the future. The subconscious mind only knows now. The present is the only tense that exists. That's why, if you have a goal, you should see them already accomplished. Number 5. Our subconscious mind controls 95% of your lives. The subconscious form our habits and we are creature of habits. 95% of the things you said and thought today, you also said and thought yesterday. That means the conscious mind is only in control of 5% of the time. Number 6. The subconscious mind cannot tell you the difference between your imaginations and actual event. That's why you get scared with goosebumps while watching a scary movie. You consciously know that it's not real, but the subconscious mind cannot tell the difference. Last but not the least, 7. Repetition creates new belief in your subconscious mind. Say or think anything long enough and you will eventually start to believe it, even if it's completely false at that time. With that being said, you can understand how and why there is a war out for your mind. One of the things they don't tell you that on a quantum level you will literally begin to attract the very thing you place inside your subconscious mind. Yes, you attract the thing that you think about most often. This is something called the law of attraction, and it is very true and powerful universal principle. It states that you will draw to you the situations, circumstances, people, and events that match your dominant feelings, thoughts, and words. Your thoughts are a form of dynamic energy that attract to you exactly what you think. Since the subconscious mind deforms our habits, we usually think the same thoughts over and over again, and this is why we get the same reality over and over again. In order for us to consciously choose a better reality, we must reprogram our subconscious thoughts. This is why you need to brainwash yourself. So, how do we do it? There are 8 simple steps. Step 1. Take a sheet of paper. Write down exactly what you want in full detail. It can be anything from a lifestyle to a certain job to a particular car you want. It could be anything. Just make sure that it's crystal clear in details. Step 2. Begin to visualize yourself already having and attending your desired object. Make mental movies in your mind and play them out as if it's already a reality. Remember, the subconscious mind could not tell you the difference between visualization and actual events. Step number 3. Stop watching television shows or movies that contradict your new belief. Since the subconscious mind is always influenced, you want to give it the right influence. Only give your attentions and energy to the things that complement your ideal lifestyles and desired objects. Go on a news fast for 30 days. Don't watch the news at all. You will notice how your vibrations will begin to rise. Step 4. Create a short but sweet affirmations that implies that you already have your desired objects. For example, if you want to become successful, create affirmation such as I am successful. If you want to be financially stable, start your affirmations with I am prosperous. Always start your affirmation with the present tense such as I have or I am. Remember, the subconscious only operates in the present tense. Step number 5. Create an alarm on your phone that will remind you at a certain time to speak your chosen affirmations. Now, for this exercise, I would like you to only choose one affirmation. Set a 5-minute timer on your phone and every day say your affirmation over and over again. While you are saying it, image will start to appear in your mind regarding what you are saying. Let them happen and feel the feeling while continuing to say the affirmation. This may seem foolish at first, but I assure you this is a sure way to drum any new idea inside of your subconscious mind. Do this for minimum of 21 days. Step number 6. Listen to affirmations or create your own that complement your desired goal. Make a MP3 or put it on your phone and listen to it on a low comfortable value while you sleep and put it on repeat. Your subconscious mind is always listening and it's completely vulnerable in a dreamlike state. You will begin to adapt what you hear in the affirmation as your belief system. Do this for a minimum 21 days. Step number 7. Begin to talk about what you desire as if it's already a fact. Let's say you are having a conversation with a friend about your finance. Talk as if you are already as prosperous as you want to be. In other words, use your imagination like a child and pretend, act as if remember your reality follows your imaginations. Step number 8. Repeat, repeat, repeat. New habits and beliefs are formed through repetitions. Remember, it takes minimum 21 days to form a brand new belief. If you follow these 8 simple steps, you will successfully brainwash yourself. For more details, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to share this video with your friend. Once again, thank you for watching.